Construction Business Industry Today's the 20th of March 2025 special news in India, sponsored by VSK Business Consultant. Headline: Unprecedented 30% growth in Indian construction. A goldmine for new entrepreneurs, architects, and diploma graduates. VSK Business Consultant offers strategic launchpad. India's construction sector is on the brink of a transformative leap, projecting an extraordinary 30% growth in 2025. This surge, fueled by ambitious infrastructure projects, burgeoning middle-class housing demands, and the development of newly awakened land, presents an unparalleled opportunity for new entrepreneurs, aspiring architect designers, and freshly graduated construction diploma holders. The burgeoning market is a direct result of the government's strategic focus on infrastructure development. Projects like the Bharatmala Pariyojana, coupled with the Smart Cities mission, are injecting significant capital into the sector, creating a ripple effect that benefits every stakeholder. This growth is further amplified by the rising aspirations of India's middle class, who are increasingly seeking independent homes and modern apartments, particularly in newly developing suburban and rural areas. For young construction diploma graduates, this boom translates into immediate and abundant career prospects. The demand for skilled labor is skyrocketing, providing a platform for these graduates to apply their knowledge and contribute to the nation's infrastructural backbone. They can find opportunities in project management, site supervision, and various technical roles, or even start their own small contracting businesses. Architect designers, particularly those with a flair for innovation and sustainability, are in high demand. The evolving needs of the Indian consumer, coupled with the emphasis on eco-friendly construction, require creative architectural solutions. The Awakened Land offers a blank canvas for architects to design modern, functional, and aesthetically pleasing spaces that cater to the aspirations of the new India. New entrepreneurs are finding a fertile ground to establish their businesses. The government's push for affordable housing and infrastructure development, coupled with increasing private investments, is creating a surge in demand for construction services. From small-scale residential projects to large-scale commercial developments, the opportunities are vast and varied. This is a watershed moment for the Indian construction sector, states a spokesperson from VSK Business Consultant. The projected 30% growth is not just a statistic, it's a testament to the sector's dynamism and potential. VSK Business Consultant is committed to empowering new entrants to capitalize on this growth. We offer a comprehensive suite of services, including business planning, financial modeling, project management guidance, and regulatory compliance assistance. We understand the challenges faced by startups and are dedicated to providing them with the tools and resources they need to succeed. VSK Business Consultant emphasizes the importance of embracing technology, fostering strategic partnerships, and delivering exceptional quality to thrive in this competitive landscape. For new entrepreneurs, architects, and diploma graduates, this booming sector represents a once-in-a-generation opportunity to build successful careers and contribute to India's remarkable growth story. The Awakened Land and the growing aspirations of the middle class are the driving forces behind this unprecedented expansion, and VSK is ready to help new business owners take full advantage. Disclaimer: this news is intended for informational and knowledge purposes only and should not be construed as financial or professional advice. Stay updated. For the latest updates, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our WhatsApp channel, and connect with us on Facebook and Instagram.